How to change font size on your REDnote app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your font size on your REDnote app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is launch your REDnote app. After you launch your REDnote app, make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. And after you're there, you'll need to head over to your settings. To head over to your settings, simply tap on the gear icon that is right beside Edit Profile. Tap on the gear icon and now you're on the settings page. Now under settings page, you should find the general settings. Head over general settings and there you should find a display section. Under display section, you'll find font size. Head over to font size and from here you will see a slider below. You'll simply need to just slide it to the right if you want to increase your font size, or just don't slide it, or slide it to the left if you want to decrease your font size. Now whichever suits you the best, select that and tap on this red letter that is on the top right corner, and now you have saved your font size. Now that is basically how you can change your font size, guys. That is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.